Hi, welcome to the Regal stand here at NEC Birmingham for the Boat Life Boat Show. I'm going to show you over the 21 OBX that we have here on display, which is one of 5 Regals that we've got here on the booth. This boat is powered by a 200 horsepower Yamaha outboard. And with every Regal boat sold in the month of February benefits from this Boating Made Easy package. First thing to note is we've got a backrest that lowers down here, which makes us into a sunbathing area. Also a bimini, which folds away if you didn't want to have that out. Really sociable area here in the cockpit. And you can see that the helm seat also moves so that you can use that as part of your cockpit seating, and it nice and easily just turns here. So the dash, you've got your Garmin plotter, which gives you both your navigation. You can run your Fusion and other boat management systems from. Lots of storage on a Regal. Under here we've got storage for skis or wakeboards or just life jackets and things. Glass area here closes up for a bit more protection. And then at the bow we've got an area here which is currently made up into a sunbathing area. Very easily just taken apart into the storage area that we've got here, which is just in front of the navigator's seat. And there's storage the same size as that in the starboard side, which is just in front of the helm position. So now the table's been taken away, we've got a much larger cockpit area. The seat infill there for the access point makes this a really nice, big, enjoyable space. And the backrest here also folds from an aft-facing seat to forward. The Regal also has the power tower. So we're here at the show until Sunday. This boat is for sale for $79,995 ex VAT and comes complete with the Boating Made Easy package. There was so much storage on the Regal that I actually forgot to show you at least half of it. So underneath the port side here is a space where you get a cooler box. Another benefit from having an outboard motor is that you have this great big storage area underneath the aft seat here. And of course more this side.